cochino, ¿por qué cochino? Los cochitos, no. What's up?
Don't go to the park!
No, don't throw that shit. Oh man, you should lend me your beanie. It's cold. Gloves? You don't have any gloves? Can I use them? Jimmy, is he gonna come?
Shut up.
What? He's not gonna come?
He can't.
Why?
Dude, the roads?
Oh, the roads. Oh yeah, highways.
Yeah. Shit, dude. Ah, here, here, here. Ah, I can't feel my fingers. It's really cold.
Don't you step on that.
No, we're not!
You're gonna fuck it up.
Someone drew a penis on that car.
Someone drew a penis on that car.
Really?
It was you.
Huh?
What is that?
Go record the penis.
Oh, take a picture of it.